Okay, so that is, we want to quantify the effect of bag perforations on forced air cooling cycles and post-storage quality of apples. Okay, so our objective was we want to get the forced air cooling cycle after your CA period when your fruit are packed and it's going through a forced air cooling cycle. You want to get that shorter, you save energy, but you want to do it without compromising your fruit quality. So that you don't get lenticel and scald and stuff on the other side of the world. Okay, so what we did is we didn't harvest it. There's some nice producers that harvested and some pack houses that stored it for us and did the smart fish, and they packed it, and immediately after that we intercepted it and we repacked the fruit into perforated bags. So our 4 scenarios we investigated was the standard non-perforated bag. We set that as our control, and then we had a no bag, which was the other control. So it's the white side of the spectrum, and we had small perforations and large perforations. So and then we then we did the forced air cooling cycle. We built the pallets and everything, and then there was a 5-week and a 9-week RA storage, like the simulated shipping. Okay. So the cultivars we used in this trial was Granny Smith, Goldens, Reds, Crips, Braben, Fuji. And then our results. This is just one of the examples of the forced air cooling cycles we used over the past 3 seasons. So this is the non-perforated bag. So we said that's your 100%. And then this is the no bag. So we had an 88% saving in cooling time. And then your small perforations was a 28% saving in cooling time, and then your large perforations 40%. So obviously there's some good saving and air temperature. Then so in 2016 we decided, okay, let's go Granny Smith superficial scald. We got no defects after 5 and 9 weeks, or after our shelf life. Obviously the 1MCP did its job. 2017, we worked with Top Red, Crips Pink, no defects. Then we did Goldens, and we got a little bomb there. We got lenticel damage. So what we have here, lenticel damage. Yes, this SOS is a start of shelf. It's end of the cold storage period. When you put it on the shop's shelf, end of shelf, 7 days later, when it was at 20 degrees Celsius, we've got the 4-week and the 9-week storage times. Okay, so the non-perforated bag, we got lenticel, so up to 10% after 9 weeks end of shelf, but then we got the surprise, which was the no bag, very high lenticel incidence, similar results with the small perforations, similar results with the large perforations. So Goldens are sensitive to the cooling time, and that led to the next season this year. We decided, okay, let's use lenticel susceptible cultivars, Braben, Fuji, Goldens. That results are still out there because it's a season. So I can't say too much about it, but we didn't find a lot of lenticel this time for some reason, not on one of them. But yeah, we still have to look at it. So what's the recommendation? Before you do anything, we have to do semi-commercial trials, because sometimes our cooling temperature we use in forced air cooling is a bit different from what's used in the industry. So yeah, to just put it in a commercial scenario would be the best. And then cold sensitive cultivars, care should be taken, especially like with Goldens. Don't cool it too fast, otherwise you might pick up some problems. Okay.